These beautiful, ginormous shrimp were quick frozen with a glaze that will protect them from freezer burn. That's why it's not sealed in this bag, because each shrimp has a glaze on it. IQF products seem to be defrosted slightly different. We're gonna talk about the best way to defrost IQF black tiger shrimp today. Let's dive in. We're just gonna use some cold water. The colder the better. The slower the defrost, the better. And we're gonna put them onto a sheet tray. We're gonna help accelerate the defrosting process. We haven't defrosted these. These are still frozen. We just removed the glaze and then covered them with paper towels. The defrosting is gonna happen in the fridge, nice and slow. Went from IQF frozen with a glaze, we pulled the glaze off with a quick rinse, and then we slow defrosted in the fridge, covered it and wrapped in paper towels.